Hello everyone. In today's video tutorial we are going to learn how we can work with lists. So lists help us to put some emphasis on specific information that we may be having in our slides. So to work with lists we shall click on this slide 2. So in our slide 2 we have here the types of networks put in form of lists. So that means that we have got two types of lists. We have the bulleted lists and numbered lists. So whenever you start inserting some data in a given placeholder, you may see that the lists are automatically inserted there. So today I would like to see how can I insert a list in my slide. So assuming we don't want this type of list, so how can we insert another type of list? So to insert a list or to change this list style, what we shall do is to select the entire placeholder. So after selecting this placeholder, we shall go to this home tab. But we shall work with the paragraph group. So from the paragraph group, we want to change this style of bulleted list to another style. So we shall go to the bullets button. Besides the bullets button, we have that arrow. So we shall click on the arrow and then we can now change the bullet style we want. So when you hover or move your mouse pointer on these different styles, you can see the changes in your slide. So assuming this is what you want, then you just click on it. So when you click on it, you can see now you have changed the bullet style. So that's how you can change the bullet styles that are in your slides. Now we have seen how we can work with the bulleted lists. Let's see how we can work with the numbered lists. So to work with the numbered lists, we shall work with this slide 3. So from this slide 3, we want to change from bulleted to numbered lists. Just like I said, we first click inside, then we can select the whole placeholder. So after selecting the whole placeholder, it means that we shall apply changes to all these contents in the placeholder. So this time round, we shall go to the numbered button. So we shall click on that button. Then we have the different styles that we can apply to our text which is in the slide. So assuming you want numbering to be done in form of ABCD with this bracket, then you select. If you want it in this form, then you just come and click on it, then it will be applied into the contents within your slide. So likewise, we can still work with slide 4. And this time we shall click again, we select the placeholder, then we can change to maybe ABCD, then you will see the changes also applied to the contents within the placeholder. Let's now see how we can change the number color. So we want to change this number color to a different color. So to do that, what we do is we shall select the entire placeholder. Then we shall go to the numbered button for numbering these contents in our placeholder. So we go besides it, we click on that arrow. Then now to access the color, we shall go where we say bullets and numbering. We click there. So from bullets and numbering, we shall work with this color option. So right now the color of our bullets is black, so we can click on that arrow. Then if we want it red, you just come and select red. So when you select red, this is how the colors will look in your placeholder. So we shall click OK. So when we click OK and we go under the list, we can see that the numbering or the list colors have now changed to the color that you defined. So we can also do the same to this other content. So we just select, then we select the entire placeholder. We go to numbering button, then we go to bullets and numbering. So from bullets and numbering, we shall change, and maybe we can give it this green color. So when you click green color, here they show you the preview. Then you can now go ahead and click on OK. So when you click on OK, we can see that the color has changed. These changes can also apply to this bullet numbering. First of all, you select the placeholder. Then this time you go to bullets, not the numbering button. Then you go to the bullet and numbering option. From there you will go to color, and you can give it this color of purple. Then after you click on OK. Then you will see the color applied as you have set it. Then to change the bullet size, this is also possible. Since we already have our placeholder selected, we shall go to the bullets button. Then we go to bullets and numbering. From there we shall work with this size option. So we shall work with this field where we see 100. So the size of the bullets at the moment is at 100%. So we can increase by using this button. So we can put it at 120. Then after increasing, you can try to click on OK. Then you will see the size of the bullets also increasing. To reduce, you do the same. You go to bullets, then number size field. We can just click inside, then we delete, and maybe we can give it 50%. Then we click on OK. So when we click on OK, we can now see the size has reduced. So that's how we can reduce or increase on the bullet size or the number size. Likewise, you can apply it to this numbering. So this time you first click to select, but you will not use this button. You will use this other button for numbering. Then you go to bullets and numbering. Then you will work with the size. So from this box, you click there and delete what you don't want. Let's put it at 70% and we click on OK. You will see the changes also being applied to the number in your placeholder. Then sometimes you may want to insert pictures as your bullets. So what does this mean? It means that first of all you will select the slide containing that content, then select the placeholder. After selecting the placeholder, instead of having the bullets, we want to use the picture. So from the ribbon, we shall go to the paragraph group, then we work with the bullets button. Then from the bullets button, we shall go to bullet and numbering. So when we click on it, this time round, we shall work with this option where we see picture. So we click on picture. So when you click on picture, here we have the available pictures that you can insert as your bullets inside the slide. However, you can decide to import the picture by using this option for import. So when you click on import, then you have to go ahead and look for that picture you want to use as the bullet. So let's assume it is under documents, then I will click on photos. I want to use this one of the laptop, then I click on add. So after clicking on add, it will be added to this list. Then we shall go ahead and click on OK. So when we click on OK, we have the picture inserted as the bullet, but it is small in size. So right now we can try to increase on the size of that picture. So we make it 120. So I will delete that, then I say 120. Then after we click on OK, so we can see that the bullet is the real picture, as we can see from the screen. So that's how you can use a picture. Then to use a symbol as a bullet, what we shall do is to click and we work with this slide 3. So we shall click in this placeholder, then after we select the whole placeholder. Then we shall use this option for numbering, then we go to bullets and numbering. So from bullets and numbering, we can see we don't have any option where we can access a symbol, but we shall switch between the numbered tab and the bulleted tab. So we shall click to this bulleted tab. So from this bulleted tab, we shall now go to this option where we see customize. So when we click on customize, then we have the available symbols here. So from these symbols, you can decide to choose which one you want to use for your bullets. So if they are not all visible, you can always try to change from this font field. For instance, when you click and say I want this style, then you will have a lot of other symbols you can work with. Then let's assume we would like to insert this symbol here. So we shall click on that symbol. After clicking, you come and click on OK. So when you click on OK, the symbol will be displayed for you there. Then you can go ahead and say OK, this is what I want. So when you click on OK, then the symbol will be inserted as the bullets you want in your placeholder. Then if we don't want these bullets or numbers in our placeholders, what we do is to select the placeholder. Then after selecting the placeholder, we shall go to the options above for bullets. Since these are bullets, then you just click on none, and this applies to numbers. So you click, then select the entire placeholder, then you go to numbering button and you say none. So when you just move your pointer on this word none, you can even see from the placeholder the numbers have gone off. So when you click, you confirm that I don't want the numbering in my placeholder. So that's it with the lists. Hope you found this video tutorial helpful to you. That's it for now. See you in our next tutorial.